What really happens inside your body when you fall asleep right after a late-night snack? If this is your habit, you need to hear this carefully, because the damage doesn't happen instantly, it happens silently. At night, your body is preparing to enter a low-energy repair mode, but a late-night snack breaks that calm. The energy that should have been burned has nowhere to go, so it quietly turns into fat. Day after day, weight appears without warning, and the problem gets worse. Most late-night snacks, fried chicken, barbecue, cakes, sugary drinks, are calorie bombs. They don't just increase body fat, they drive the growth of visceral fat, the dangerous fat that wraps around your liver, heart, and other vital organs. You may look fine on the outside, but inside, your organs are under pressure. At night, the digestive system should be resting. But eating before sleep forces it to work overtime, producing excess stomach acid. When you lie down, acid easily flows back into the esophagus, causing painful reflux and burning sensations, slowly damaging the digestive lining. Meanwhile, sleeping after eating often means less water intake and less urination. Waste products stay in the body longer, adding hidden stress to your kidneys. Worst of all, night is the liver's prime detox time. Late-night eating interrupts this process, turning detox into fat storage instead. High sugar and high-fat foods, especially with alcohol, can slowly lead to fatty liver disease and unstable blood sugar. So late-night snacking before bed is not comfort. It's a time bomb buried inside your body. Changing this habit today is a gift to your future self.